Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
Oh, hello. Nice.
Hercules, everything.
Right after you touch and go, Frank, I'm doing a blast down the runway. Last pass.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, now I'm doing a blast down the runway from the right.
Oh man, that's nice. I like that. Hercules.
Right behind you, I'm doing a blast from the right. Ooh.
Oh wow.
What?
The rudder on this thing turns really well. Holy moly. Rudder turn.
Oh, wow, yeah. All right.
Crazy.
Go.
I guess I'm cross control, cross steering.
Blast from the left.
30
Wow,
seconds.
that is impressive.
You got the gyro on there too, though, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is true.
Time remaining 18 seconds.
All right, I'm gonna be landing.
10, 9, 8, gear down.
Ow! That was that.
Ah,
You break something?
I broke a blade.
You have another one?
Time
Oh,
expired.
shit. I gotta come in.
Yeah, I'm kidding. It's flying just fine.
What, it's still there?
No, it's a two-bladed.
Oh, shit. You don't have any more?
No.
Oh, seriously? They don't have any spares?
They just started releasing spares.
Why release the plane with no spares?
But now you can find spares. They come
That's funny.
Look at it.
You can, but
Oh yeah, now you can hear it.
at least it wasn't like crazy out of balance.
It will probably fly like that.
That one will be down though.
Yeah. Maybe I can just glue it back. See if I got all the pieces.
I wouldn't. Replace that. Maybe though, maybe.
I think I can glue
You
it
probably
back.
print those.